Welcome to My Day, My Choice, where style meets family moments. Today we explore designer-inspired mother-of-the-bride dresses that look luxurious without the heavy price. From elegant fabrics to smart shapes, we will guide you with clear tips. You will feel confident, graceful, and ready for photos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's start and find a beautiful dress that honors the day and your personal taste. Let's begin with shape. The right silhouette flatters your body and helps you move easily. A-line dresses skim the waist and suit many figures. Sheath styles feel sleek and modern, great for city venues. If you love drama, try a soft fit and flare for gentle volume. Look for tasteful necklines like V-neck or bateau. They frame the face nicely and work well with jewelry and hairstyles. Avoid pieces that feel tight. Next, think about fabric and color. Chiffon and crepe drape beautifully and are comfortable for long events. Lace adds detail without being heavy. Satin gives shine for evening lights. Choose colors that blend with the wedding theme, but still flatter your skin tone. Soft pastels, rich jewel tones, and elegant metallics are all popular choices. Bring a small photo of the venue when choosing colors in store or online later. Fit makes all the difference. Designer-inspired dresses often look best with simple tailoring. Bring your measurements or get measured by a friend. Check bust, waist, hips, and hollow to hem for length. Leave time for a small alteration near the bust or hem. Comfort matters. You will sit, stand, eat, and hug family. Make sure the zipper moves easily and seams feel smooth against your skin. A good tailor is worth it. Let's talk budget. Designer-inspired does not mean fake. It means smart choices that echo high-end style. Look for quality stitching, lined bodices, and thoughtful details like covered buttons. Set a price range before shopping and compare several stores. Consider renting for a one-time event, or buy a timeless piece you can wear again. Great style is about fit, fabric, and confidence, not only brand names. Sales happen after wedding season. Accessories complete the look. A light jacket, cape, or shawl can add coverage for the ceremony and remove for dancing. Choose shoes you can stand in for hours. Block heels or dressy flats are great. Pick a clutch that holds tissues, lipstick, and your phone. Select jewelry that complements the neckline. Pearls, crystals, or delicate hoops keep things refined. Avoid noisy bracelets that could distract during quiet moments or speeches. Coordination keeps the day calm. Talk with the bride about color, formality, and dress code. If the other parent is dressing up, share notes so styles blend, not match exactly. Confirm the ceremony time, reception plan, and weather expectations. Order early to avoid rush fees and shipping delays. Schedule a final try-on with shoes and undergarments. Take a quick photo in natural light to check fit, color balance, and harmony. Thank you for watching My Day, My Choice. You can choose designer-inspired mother of the bride dresses. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who is planning a wedding. Your grace and comfort will shine on this special day. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. And I earn a small commission while viewers pay no extra cost.